A very good morning to all. So in the last class, we learned 4 Vyanjan letters and they were Ya, Ra, La, Va. I hope you all practiced it at your home. Now these are the Vyanjan letters Ya, Ra, La, Va. Now we are going to do the exercise of this chapter. We'll start from page number 46. So on the top you can see Lekhan Abhyas, that means worksheet. So the letter given is Ya. So you have to take your textbook and pencil. First you have to draw a small curve. Again the next step, draw a curve and come down. The third step, you have to draw a curve, then a smiley, straight line, on the top, sleeping line. So once again, a small curve, smiley, standing line and the sleeping line. This is Vyanjan letter Ya. So rest of them you can write it by yourself. Next Vyanjan letter is Ra. So you have to write along with me. First a small J. Next step, a J and then you have to come down. The third one, you have to come down and on the top, sleeping line. So this way you have to write Ra Vyanjan letter. A small J, you have to come down and on the top, sleeping line. So rest of them you can do it by yourself. The next Vyanjan letter is La. So as I already told you, there are 2 ways to write La. So you have to write along with me. First, we'll draw a small curve. Next step, you have to come down. The third step, the same way, a small curve and you have to come down and a standing line. So again, you have to write the same way and on the top, sleeping line. So this is La. So you have to write along with me. Rest of them you can write it by yourself. Next Vyanjan letter is Va. So first you have to draw a curve and then a circle. So this also you can write in 2 ways. The second way is you can draw a standing line and then a circle on the top, sleeping line. Standing line, circle and on the top, sleeping line. So rest of them you can do it by yourself. Now coming to the exercise part, the first question is चित्र के सही नाम पर गोला लगाइए. So you can see pictures are given and the names are given, but one name is the correct one and you have to select the correct name. So this picture, the names given are Rath and Bus. So we have already discussed that Rath means chariot and Bus. So you have to circle the correct one. So you have to circle Rath. Second picture, you can see 2 options are given, Aag and Yagya. Aag means fire and Yagya. So Yagya is the correct word. So you have to circle Yagya. Third one, the 2 names are Vastra and Hath. Vastra means cloth, Hath means hand. So here you have to circle Vastra. The fourth one, you can see, first one is Laddu. Laddu means a sweet, Laddu. The second one is Lattu. Lattu means spinning top. So you have to circle this Lattu. Lattu means spinning top. I hope you all have done it. Now let's move to the second exercise. And the question is, या, रा, ला तथा वा से रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. So you have to fill in the blank with the given Vyanjan letters. Ya, ra, la, va. So you have to use these Vyanjan letters here. So before that, there is a small correction. Instead of ma, you have to write sa. So I am cutting this ma and I am writing sa. So you have to correct this part. Now we will make a word using these Vyanjan letters. So the first one is Varsha, Va. So you can hear the sound of Vyanjan letter Va, and you have to write Va here. Varsha. Varsha means rain. The second one is Tha is given there, and you have to choose any one Vyanjan letter from here to make a word. So we can choose Ra, and the word is Rath. Rath means chariot. Now third one is, the given Vyanjan letter is Na, and we can use Va. Va say one. One means forest. The fourth one, Gya is already given, and we can choose Ya. Ya say Yagya. So you have to write Ya here. Next one is Da Ka. So you have to write La here to make the word Ladka. Ladka means boy. Here we have corrected it. I hope you all have written Sa, and we'll write Ra here. So the word is Ras. Ras means juice. Next one is Jai. So when you add Ra, it sounds Rajai, quilt. You can see the picture here, quilt. Next one is, you can write La. La say Laddu. Laddu, it's a sweet. So I hope you all have written it. Now let's move to the next part of this chapter. Here in page number 48, you can see a short poem. It's a poem about the rain. We all love rain. And kids, you might love to go out in rain to play with your friends, isn't it? Same way, all the living things, plants, animals, trees, human beings becomes very happy and excited when it rains. The name of the poem is Varsha Ai. Varsha means rain, Ai means came. So the name of the poem means it started raining. Now I am going to read this poem, and you have to listen very carefully the pronunciations of each word. देखो वर्षा आई घनघोर, नदी नाले करने लगे शोर, बादल गरजा बिजली चमकी, हम सब भीगे धरती दमकी, गर्मी भागी हवा है आई, पेड़ों पर हरियाली छाई, फूलों की खुशबू से महके, जीव जंतु सब चहके चहके. So this is the poem. I'll read it once again for you. देखो वर्षा आई घनघोर, नदी नाले करने लगे शोर, बादल गरजा बिजली चमकी, हम सब भीगे धरती धमकी, गर्मी भागी हवा है आई, पेड़ों पर हरियाली छाई, फूलों की खुशबू से महके, जीव जंतु सब चहके चहके. So now we'll understand the meaning of each and every line. So the first two lines, देखो वर्षा आई घनघोर, नदी नाले करने लगे शोर. So the poet is saying, see, the heavy rain has started, and because of this heavy rain, all the rivers, lakes, ponds, streams are filled up with water. Next two lines, बादल गरजा बिजली चमकी, हम सब भीगे धरती दमकी. So the meaning is, बादल गरजा means the thundering of clouds, and bijli chamki means the shine of lightning. So you all might have seen that during heavy rain there is thundering and lightning up in the sky. Now the fourth line, hum sab bheege dharti dhamki. Now because of heavy rain, everything gets wet. All the earth, plants, trees, humans, everyone gets wet. Next two lines. गर्मी भागी हवा है आई, पेड़ों पर हरियाली छाई. So, when it rains, the temperature cools down and wind blows. पेड़ों पर हरियाली छाई means when it rains, everything brightens up. So, the trees looks more green in color. Last two line. फूलों की खुशबू है महके, जीव जंतु सब चहके चहके. So, when it rains, the flower blooms and the fragrance of flower spreads everywhere. The last line is, so all the living things like humans, plants, animals, everyone becomes very happy and excited during the rain. This is the meaning of this poem. The name of the poem is Varsha Aayi. So, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.